Alright, you guys, we get ready to get this Key West trip started. Stopped at the Polit. I am running a little fashionably late, but the fellas waited on me. We met up on I-40, exit 398, Strawberry Plains exit, at the Polit. Let's go meet the crew.
Herring.
That bouncy motherfucker straight now?
My shit a bouncy motherfucker. Yeah. When I turned this shit over, see where it's scratched right there? That's what was hit. So I said, I got to go get me a...
Well, I told you to hook it up and test ride it before you,
I did, but...
in the trunk?
Yeah, the trunk.
Just that, what else you want to put in there?
No, and I'm going to leave everything like it is.
We got Big Dog and Cleophas, and he's looking a little extra sketchy right here. We'll see. Got the Lone Wolf, Little Egypt, and Miss Paparazzi. She got that rain thing on like she's ready for some rain already. Try your helmet on, Hope. Make sure we got you. Nothing. Tap it one time. Somebody's on there. Can you hear Hope?
Yeah.
Say something.
Yeah, I heard him.
Okay.
You know mine gonna have that noise in it till we put that tape on.
Yeah, if it get too bad, we'll just tell you to tap it out. If you raise your vent up, right here, it might take some wind off your mic. We'll see how it go. I know it won't be long. Y'all be wanting to listen to your music anyway. You already know how to get out of it.
Yeah.
We'll do a little small introduction getting out of here. I ain't gonna do no whole lot of recording. Stephanie, you'll let us know when you need some fuel, right?
Yes. Yes.
Recording.
This is the first leg, y'all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is our first leg. Get ready to get this thing started. Little Egypt, you ready?
Ready? Let's roll
Ready.
out.
We got Ron. I'm gonna get up here. You know, once we get started, we'll do a little blow by, let the folks get a look at y'all popcorn boys and girls. How you feeling there, Lone Wolf?
I'm good. Go ahead. I'll catch up.
What's going on? Well, now we'll hold up because we break his helmets up. It'd be too hard to get them back together.
There he comes.
We waiting on Hope right quick.
I'm here.
Yeah, once you get these helmets together, you don't want to get the damn breaking them up. It's too much. That Smart app makes it a lot easier though.
Oh, I thought this was the lane.
Get ready, hit this 40 eastbound towards Asheville and get the hell on out of Knoxville.
Yes, yes, let's do this.
Daggone it. I'm usually on time. I got halfway here and forgot somebody to go all the way back.
Are you serious? I was wondering what was up.
Oh, like that gone.
Sound like CP time to me.
It's my bad.
You know what you being the one doing it, everybody got something to say.
Oh, yeah. There go one of them candy ma'ams. Give everybody a chance to y'all get in that left lane wrong when you get a chance.
Get over.
Get in the left lane, Ron. Ron. He must ain't got a CB on. Give everybody a brief look at the crew. He wants to go by Big Dog and Chloe. Little Egypt. There go Miss Paparazzi. And the lone wolf himself. We on our way to Key West. First stop is wherever we stop shooting. All right, let's ride. Eastbound. We are entering in the gorge. I'm not going to bring it all to you. I'll bring you. That is the voice of Big Dog Ron. You said you cannot hear me because you can't turn your volume up? I can barely even make out what you're saying. I don't know much about them centers. That's why that free wire. That's why I have the wire on mine. So, can you hear me all right now? 10-4. I got you. Well, we are coming into the gorge on 40 eastbound, headed towards Key West. We're just gonna ride until we get tired today, wherever whenever, wherever that may be. It's about 2 o'clock, and we are hyped, locked, cocked, ready to rock. I'm happy, boy. This is my happy place. It's nice and cool out here. Thank God it ain't raining. It rained pretty good last night. Got a little cloud cover. Let's see what the temp is. It says it's 70, but it's a cool 70. But you can put your full face helmet on, put your daggum leather jacket, nice boots. I got my fingerless gloves, but we are going south or southeast. Well, I'm pretty sure it'll warm up as we go down, but if it was getting into the evening time, I'll be putting my whole gloves on. But this is the beginning of the gorge. Not a whole lot to see here, but I figured I'd bring you here for a clip. Let's ride.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.